T-San Mao-san has traveled 140,000 kilometers, and the hot dream space is broken again. There is no cold air in the open space. This dream assembly can be repaired without heat exchange. I want Brother Long to repair the Tesla every day because I'm afraid of repairing other cars. I have to dismantle the heat pump assembly. After disassembling Remming, be sure to use an air conditioner publicity machine to clean the pipes of the Remming air conditioner, which are particularly dirty. Subtitle Volunteer. Start to disassemble the air conditioner compressor and open the screw. Broken cleaning repair compressor here. Replace with a new dynamic and static power and rotate the compressor properly. Break down the fever dream. Disassemble and clean the 8-way valve of the aluminum pipe. Ultrasonic cleaning of magazines and heat pump hotels. Clean air conditioning pipes. Restore the heat pump system and reinstall the heat pump air conditioner assembly. Turn on the air conditioner, and the hot air and cool air are normal.